Hey, this is Yahoo Shalom, ML Credit, ML Real Estate. I'm hitting you up to let you know this. It's time to get your credit done. And I can teach you, well, not teach you because I'm not ready to do that yet, but I can get your credit where it needs to be. I can get you, you don't know that you have unlimited supply of credit because you don't know how to tap into it. Let me help you do that. Let me help you tap into the type of credit that you need by repairing your credit and get your credit. And I do it by law. I don't do it by all these gimmicks and all that. I do it digitally, but I do it mostly by law. So I want y'all to understand this concept that I'm here to help. My prices are reasonable. They're fair. So it depends on the situation. I can give you a flat fee. I used to do flat fees, but I found out if you don't invest in yourself, you really won't take it seriously. And that's just true. That's in all aspects of life. If you don't invest in you, who else gonna invest in you? You feel me? So if you really want your credit done and you want your credit repair, give me a call, 407-947-0402. Or you can go to MMA of creditrepair.com and you can book a consultation. Let me know. Get back to me. Have a shalom and great day. Bye.